cut a piece 7.5 inches by 2.5 inches. To make the tab, fold in half lengthwise with wrong sides together and press. Fold the outer edges towards the center, leaving a tiny gap, and press. Match the folded edges together and press again. For really neat ends, open right up, fold in half with right sides together, match up the raw edges, fold right along the crease, and then stitch about 1/4 inch through all the layers, backtacking at the start and finish. Repeat on the other side. Open up and pull at the folds to flatten out, turn over, and then push out the corners with a point turner. Fold the edges back in and crease together. Measure in 2.5 inches from the end and mark on the center of the tab. Starting with a back tack, edge stitch the tab close, stop before the mark, insert the zipper, stitch over it, and then back tack over it to give it some strength. Continue stitching and back tack to finish. Fold down the zipper tab in line with the zipper tape. We're going to tack down the opposite edge. From the other side of the zipper, measure across and finish your edge stitching here. Open up and crease it down. Loop the other side behind the zipper without twisting. Place the end through the loop and gently pull. Cover and hide this corner when pulling down. On the back, pull the loop down to hide these edges. When the knot's pulled nice and tight, you can add a little bit of fabric glue or hot glue in between in the front and also in between a couple of spots on the back. Clip together until dry, and this will help keep it from unraveling. You can find other easy methods for sewing zipper tabs on my channel. Thanks again for watching. Until next time, take care and happy sewing.